Hello friends, I'm back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, give a look CyberLink PowerDirector 18 Ultimate version. PowerDirector 18 Ultimate is a professional grade video editing software. Best product of 2019, you can take your video editing skill to the next level with this PowerDirector. With the PowerDirector tools and features, users have a complete control over the video production process, whether you are experienced or new in the world of video editing. So you can use this software even if you do not have experience, if you're using it for the first time, and it is so user friendly. Now it is the universal video editing software that gives you the universal video editing solution.
Okay, you can see this is a video editor. You have a file, edit, and you have view options, you have a playback, and here you got a save option, and this is for the undo and redo. Likewise, you can select the ratio over here, 4:3, or you can select as 16:9 and 1:1, 360 degree, and you have all this ratio to select. You can go to manage some changes in the settings. So here you have preferences where you got lots of options to choose. You can make a changes in the settings, so you can make a changes according to your need and whatever is required for you. And here is where you have the project title, where the project name will appear. So here you got the another options. You can view all videos and several other files on web, and you'll get a different kinds of help even from here. So how to bring your several stuff, photos live with a parallel effect, how do you add several things. So even if you are a beginner, you can use it easily. So user-friendly product. So here you have lots of options. It's a media room, and this one is where you're gonna see the effect. This is the effect room. You have a number of effect. The next, here you're gonna see this one is another lots of stuff for you guys to create a video. You have a transition room and text. You can add a text to the videos, and here you have all different types of audios and videos recording options. So even you can record audio. This is a voice recorder. You can record audio through the microphones and even through your laptop speaker. So you can make an input as a laptop speaker, or you can use any kinds of microphone to make a record. And here's the timeline where you can add several stuff to the timeline. So it is represented even with the icon. So you can easily recognize where to put the text, where to put the video and image files, where to put the audio, and where your voice recording gonna appear. So this one is your different stuff over here. You can see you have lots of stuff. So you can add, even you can drag or drop your files directly over here in order to add your image and video files from external media, or you can just do the several stuff like you can import and export the media. So here you have lots of options, like you can capture, you can edit, you can produce, and even you can create a disc. So the capture will help you capture a screen. You can capture a video through a screen recorder. So you have a screen recorder in this. So yeah, your screen recorder software will be automatically installed with the software. Here is the edit option where you can edit your image, audio, and video files. This is the produce options where you can produce the file in your created stuff in a different file format. And here you can create a disc. You can create a DVD or a CD. Now edit option, you can import the media now. I'm just going to import one video files, or you can just directly drag and drop the video files over here. And here you got a different options. You can click on video, image, and even the audio, and that will help you select. This is for video, this is for the audio, sorry guys, image, and this is for the audio. So you can select different audio files and video files. So if you have lots of file over here, so you can, this will help you select the file easily. So you don't have to choose among the lots of images, audio, and video in a one place. So you can arrange those videos, audios, and picture files separately. And here you got the another option. You can increase and decrease the size of the thumbnail. So if it is not clearly visible to you, and you can search for the library over here. Even you have an option inside the video editor to search for the library if you're looking for any stuff. So import a media files from here. So let me import one video files. So you can just tap and drag that files to the timeline. So select any video files. And tap and drag that files to the timeline. So you can see here you have option to cut, you have option to design. In a design option, you got a different option, different methods and different features to design. Here you have option to enhance. So you have lots of enhancement that you can make to this video or image files. Here you have a tools. Tools has different sets of features. You can manage your video speed. You can increase and decrease the size of the video. Sorry guys, the speed of the video. If you want to make a video faster, or if you want to make your audio faster, so you can increase the speed of audio, speed of a video. Likewise, here you have a keyframe where you got a lots of stuff to manage in a keyframe. So you can manage the keyframes. So here you can manage the clip, you can manage the several other key features over here. Sorry guys, keyframe over here. In a keyframe, you got a clip menu and like this. So here you have a delete to delete the files, and this is for several other features that you want to access. Now you can just give a right click on audio and video if you would like to edit a audio or a video. So if you want to edit the video, just give a right click on video and you can trim the video if you want to trim the video. So not only trimming, just give a right click on it and you can choose any features you like. So select the part of a video you want to trim. And here it can show you the duration and in position. And then click on OK. in order to trim. So if you want to trim the audio files, you have to just give a right click on audio. So if you have dragged and inputted some audio manually, you can just give a right click on audio and you can trim the audio. And this is the video files trimming. So this is, let me remove this clip and I'm just going to add another clip. So you can overwrite, you can insert, or you can insert see, so you can just manage the timeline. Even if you want to overlap one files over the other files, so you can overlap it, you can overwrite the files. You can even overwrite the video and you can overwrite the image. Now I just want to produce the video, so I'll just go to produce and then I'll just click on the produce. So once I click on the produce, you can see here I have lots of file format I can produce that video on. So here is a standard 2D file. It's a 3D and it's a device. Like Android, Apple, Sony, and many more. And you got even online, so you can produce a video for a YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, and several other. So this is all-in-one video creator that will help you produce the video for almost every stuff that you need in your daily life, even for the professional purposes. And even it has a wide range of format option. It's a standard 2D. Now when you click on 3D, you're going to see the warning message. Definitely when you create a video in a 3D, you need a 3D effect. The 3D effect will not be applied because you need a 3D image of the video files in order to produce a 3D video in a 3D effect. Now here you have several other stuff. You can see it's a standard 2D where you have lots of file format to choose: AVI, MPEG, you got Windows Media Player files, XAVCS file, you got S264 ABC, S265 HEVC, image sequence. Even you can produce audio files. So it will only produce audio files. So here you can choose the place where you want to save the file, and you can see total free up space where you are saving the file. Use the space, the remaining space is one that is the size of the file right now you'll be producing. So click on S264 ABC and you can choose the wide range of, again, options over here, whether you want HD, full HD, 2K, 4K videos. So you can produce the videos up to 4K from HD, full HD. Now select whether you what kind of video you want to produce, whether HD, full HD, or 4K, 2K, even you have option for 2K. Now you can see Total size of the video will be 640 MB. Now here you have several other options to choose. So you can, all these other different setting stuff you can manage according to your need. So get done with everything. Once you're done, you just have to click on start. And it will start producing the video. So it will show you the time remaining, how much MB remaining to produce. Finally, it produced a video of 30.9 MB. Sorry guys, I did some mistake. It might be in byte. So that was in byte. I thought it is in MB. So I told you 640 MB. So it is around, it was in byte, and down here is the MB. So it's a 30.9 MB. So it produced a video of around 31 MB. Yeah, 31.9 MB. So it produced a video of around 31.649. So you can play the video. You can see this is the video I produced. So this is just a demo. You can produce the videos with lots of features and animation. You have a lots of effect in this video creator. You can use the effect, you can use the text, you can use the several motion pictures, and you can create the awesome video. This was just a demo for you guys to show how it is, how you can create the stuff. It's like a procedure, and show you the overall features of this video editor. Now you can go back, whether you want to go to previous or you can directly go to edit. If you want to make any changes, you can go to the previous, and again you can produce video, or you can directly go to the edit if you want to edit another video. Now in a create, you have a create disk. When you click on that, you can see you can create a disk over here. So you have a context, menu preferences, 2D disk and 3D disk. With lots of arrangement in the setting, you can produce the disks of your choice according to your requirement. So settings are only for the requirements. According to your requirements, you can manage the setting. So here is normally the DVD size is 4.7 GB. It is 4700 MB. You can produce a CD or a DVD. So you can see here's the 3D disc. If you want to produce a 3D disc, you click on 3D and you can burn in 3D. If you want, you can even give a look at preview. Now next is the capture. The capture is in order to capture the screen. You can capture a video. You can see currently I am recording a video from a webcam. You can see the webcam is selected. So this is to record. When I click on that, it starts recording. You can see the time, and this is the size, how much MB recorded. And you're going to see your video right over here. If you are recording it from a webcam, or whether you are recording from several other devices, you can see the list of devices over here on the top that you can use to record. Currently my webcam is running, but you cannot see anything. I've just put a piece of cloth on my webcam. Otherwise you could have seen some stuff. So you record from a multiple number of devices and videos. So this is for the recording. So this is an all-in-one video creator. What you do not have over here, you can just produce, you can record, you can capture a screen, you can just, you can see exactly on the top, you have a capture. If you want to capture a screen, just click on capture and you can capture the screen. So once you're done, click on the same red icon and you can just want to save the video or not. You can just save your recording. Even you can capture, sorry guys, it's you can have a time limit. So you want to set the specific time, you want to set the specific size for the recording. You can set the specific time and size for the recording and you can start recording. So when that particular time finishes, when that size limit it will reach, you don't have to turn off your recording. It will automatically off the recording and it will ask you whether you want to save the recording. So you can see I've just put some time limit as some 10 and down I'll put some as 1 MB and start recording. It's a very soon it will finish. You can see it's done. So if you set the time limit, it will automatically close the recording at some specific time. So when it reaches the limit. Now here you can click on edit. So edit give you lots of options. Now you can see the several other stuff, some of the effects and some of the transition effect. So that in a transition effect, you have lots of options over here. You can see you have lots of transition effect to create the video and animation of your type. You can animate your image, you can animate your video files with all this transition effect. So you have a different type of transition effect you can choose in a list over here. And text, you have lots of text over here. In a different way, you can manage the text in your videos. Now you can see here you have another effect. You have a free templates as well as the premium effect. So you can go download the free templates, and when you have a premium effect over here, so in order to download the free templates, you can just click on free template and it will take you to the official web from where you can download the free template. So it is from same cyberlink.com. You can have lots of free template. Even you have an app available for Android and iOS. Even you have video files over here, how to create or animate a photo in a photo editor app. So photo that move, animation inside the photo for both Android and iOS available. And even you have more premium effect that you can download. You have lots of premium effect. So you'll need a new app to open this link. So I'll just leave it. You can just download and you can get the premium effect too in your video editor. So just visit the web cyberlink.com. Sorry guys, it's cyberlink official web, and you'll find every stuff right over there, whether free, premium, any kinds of effect you want and everything. So these effects there are others, these are different other sets of effect that you can use in your image and video files.
Okay guys, let's give a short look at this product presentation to get more clear about the product. If you can imagine it, you can create it. It's very simple and easy to use. So PowerDirector Ultra and PowerDirector Ultimate. You'll find it in two different versions. So PowerDirector Ultra and Ultimate. So one is for the home video creator and another is the professional series. So you can choose according to your choice whether you are a beginner or a professional creator. Now we have a short description about the feature introduction as a shape designer. So it is a shape designer with the auto fit text, keyframe control and several other features. Impressive motion and graphic, a square video for the Instagram and Facebook. Even you will have 1:1 ratio, nested project as an adjustable PIP object. So you have a keyframe control to scale, skew, rotate and even set the opacity. You can repurpose your previous project files. You have audio scrubbing. You have advanced motion tracking and chroma key. So you'll have frame by frame motion tracking and even multi-key sampling. So all these features you have in this PowerDirector. 360-degree video sterilization and professional workflow, reliable time track and 4K editing video. Even you can preview it. So professional format, 10-bit and camera support, CPU and GPU performance boost is available in this professional support PowerDirector. Here are some of the difference you can see in the PowerDirector Ultra and Ultimate. So the difference in the features of a PowerDirector Ultra and Ultimate, it's a comparison table. You can give a look in details. And here's the minimum system requirements that you need, and here are supported file format. So it supports a wide range of video file format you can import, supports the wide range of video file format you can produce. You can import the wide range of video file format and even you can produce. Audio file exporting format support for the disk creation and 360-degree view, even audio importing is available in a file and format. So all these features, I've left a necessary link in the video description. If you like to get the product, know in more details, you can follow the links. This was the short presentation of the product. So guys, if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good day.